While the rest of the world argues about whether AI will replace artists or writes top 10 prompts for ChatGPT, a different group of entrepreneurs is quietly moving in a different direction. They're not chasing trends. They're not building flashy apps. They're targeting deep, expensive, often invisible problems, places where the competition is low and the value is extremely high. This is where real edge lives. Here are 7 AI opportunities almost nobody is talking about. Digital archaeologist. This is about modernizing ancient systems that still run the global economy. Banks, insurance companies, governments, many of them still run on COBOL and other outdated languages built decades ago. The problem is simple but terrifying. The people who understand these systems are retiring, and replacing them is risky. That's where the opportunity is. Use AI tools like GitHub Copilot or Code Llama to translate legacy code into modern languages like Python or Java. You're not coding. You're performing a high-stakes system migration for institutions that cannot afford downtime. One contract here can be life-changing. AI data foraging. Everyone talks about AI models. Almost nobody talks about what feeds them. Big AI companies are running out of clean, high-quality training data. The internet is polluted with recycled AI content. What they actually need now is verified, structured, human-checked niche data. Think medical archives, engineering manuals, legal records. You use AI to help organize it, then humans verify accuracy. The result? Rare datasets that AI labs will pay heavily for. On-prem AI privacy. Installer companies want AI, but they can't risk their data going online. Law firms, hospitals, finance companies. They need AI, but inside their own systems. Using tools like Ollama or LM Studio, you install local AI models directly on their machines. No cloud, no leakage, no exposure. You're not selling software. You're selling a private intelligence system that stays inside their walls. AI predictive maintenance for small businesses. Big factories already use AI to predict machine failures. Small businesses don't, but they suffer more when things break. A bakery losing an oven for 2 days can lose serious money. Here's the play. Attach simple sensors to machines. Use AI to detect unusual vibration, heat, or load patterns. Alert owners before failure happens. You charge a monthly fee for peace of mind. Small cost for them, recurring income for you. Synthetic brand ambassadors. Brands want influencers, but human influencers are unpredictable, expensive, and limited. So the alternative is emerging. AI brand ambassadors. Use tools like Midjourney and HeyGen to create a consistent digital persona. Then layer AI memory and scripting, so it can respond to comments, speak in multiple languages, engage 24/7 without fatigue. You're not selling content. You're selling infinite scale without human limits. AI patent mining. Hidden inside old patents are forgotten ideas worth millions. But nobody has time to dig through them. Use long-context AI models like Claude to analyze thousands of patents at once. Then match them to modern problems. Example: an old mechanical design from decades ago might solve a modern cooling issue. You sell insights like, I found a forgotten solution that reduces your production cost. You get paid for discovery, not creation. Digital notary. As AI improves, reality becomes harder to trust. Soon, seeing a face on a call won't guarantee it's real. That creates a new industry: verification. Use forensic AI tools like Reality Defender or Sentinel to analyze videos, calls, and media for authenticity. You become the person companies call when they need proof something is real. Not cybersecurity. Reality security. All of these opportunities share one pattern. They're not obvious. They're not crowded. They're not trendy. They live in boring industries where money is already flowing. But inefficiencies are massive. AI doesn't just create new businesses. It exposes broken systems that were ignored for decades.